What's going on, wealth builders? You know, I'm always looking for a different investment to make so I can maximize my profits, maximize my money, maximize my holdings. And in this episode of Crypto to Watch, I am going to be focusing on Oasis Network, ticker symbol ROSE, R-O-S-E, baby. And I can tell you, man, I was watching my boy 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗏, a fellow YouTuber, and he had this in his portfolio, and it made up 7% of his portfolio. And I'm like, wait a minute, let your boy take a look at this, because this might be worthwhile. 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗏 has a couple 100,000 subscribers and very popular in the crypto space, so I had to take a look. And I thought I'd share with you. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks. We talk about crypto, but more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. If there's something you're interested in, do your boy a favor, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share it with your family and friends. Also, if you're looking to earn some free Bitcoin, check out my various links down in the description where you can earn anywhere from $10 to $25 in free Bitcoin. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is I always like to go into live coin watch where I can see what the cryptocurrency's been doing. And today we are focusing on Oasis Network, ticker symbol ROSE. And again, we're investing on a budget, so I'm not gonna be using a lot of money to make this investment, but I wanna show you how you can take 10, 20, $50 and invest it and be in the game, baby. All we want to do is make sure you're in the game. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen here. And I am going to go ahead and pull up Live Coin Watch. I already have it on Oasis Network. Again, ticker symbol ROSE, R-O-S-E. And as you can see, it's currently trading at 5 cents per token, 5 cents per coin. But what I like to look at, this is why I'm watching the crypto. The all-time high is 59 cents. I have an opportunity to over 10 times my money if it ever get back up to the all-time high of 59 cents. Now, I also like to look, what is it doing today? It's down 1.24% today. Perfect, because I like to buy low and sell high. And I'm not worried about selling. I'm looking at buying. In the last 7 days, it's down 2.5%. In the last 30 days, it's down 28.69%. In the last 90 days or 3 months, it's down 81.48%. And in the last year, it's down 16.13%. Now, I am going to be investing about $20 today. I'm going to be using Crypto.com. Matter of fact, I'm rocking my Crypto.com shirt. So I want to always like to see here, and there may be a little fee, but I like to see $20. What can $20? 396 ROSE tokens. I'm going to be adding roughly, I'm going to say roughly about $3.90. Let's just be realistic, say $3.90 in case they charge me a little fee. But I'm also looking at a couple different things here. The total supply is 10 billion. Right now, there's 5 billion coins or tokens in circulation, and the max supply is only 10 billion. So I want to get in before they reach the max supply. Let me explain the circulating supply. That's how many coins are currently out there by investors. Total supply or max supply is how many coins are available. So as this coin begins to get more popular, we want to make sure we're already in the game, because once it hit 10 billion, you won't be able to buy any unless somebody sells some. So with all that being said, let's jump in Crypto.com, baby, and make our purchase. You know what time it is. We about to get paid, yo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, let me click over to Crypto.com. I have $3,844.01 in my Crypto.com account. I have $3,005.34 in my crypto wallet, $819.17 in the crypto earn account, which is where I'm earning interest, $2.80 in my Crypto.com Visa card. We ain't worried about that. But most importantly, the thing we need to focus on is my fiat wallet, which I have $20.47. Now, your fiat wallet, that's where your money is to make investments, whether it's US dollars, Mexican pesos, Euro dollars, it doesn't matter. That's where your money is. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go and click crypto wallet. Now, I already have some Oasis Network in my wallet. I'm going to scroll down to that. As you can see right here, I currently have 400 ROSE tokens or $20.61. And it's down 1.59%. I'm gonna click buy rows, and it's gonna default to where how did he come up with these numbers? I have no idea. 274,000 rows? No. I'm looking at I want to get 400, but I already know I'm probably gonna be able to get 395, which is right at $20.39. I'm gonna click US dollar because that's how I'm gonna make the purchase. Then I gotta go back again. I should have did that first. And bear with me here, 395. And I'm gonna buy 395 rows. It's gonna verify one rose token is worth 0.05162 cents. I'm gonna click confirm, give it a minute, Face ID, give it a half a second, bam! I just purchased 395 rose tokens. Again, man, and then I wanna go back, and there it is, it's already updated. I currently have 795 rose tokens worth $40.99. Now, going back to what they did on Live Coin Watch, if it goes to its previous high, this $40 could be $400 just like that. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I kind of wanted to show you what I can do here, how we can invest on a budget. I am going to go ahead and bring me back on the screen, take my phone off here. But there you have it. I'm always looking at different investments to make. But after watching Eddie Moon, another fellow YouTuber, I'm going to start streamlining my portfolio. I have, this is probably 32, 33 different cryptocurrencies. But I'm going to focus on about 8 to 10 that I'm going to really just invest in and pump my money into. So do me a favor. Have you heard of Oasis Network? Are you invested in Rose Token? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, more importantly, dropping more knowledge. And until the next time, peace, baby.